Hello everyone, it's Fik from Tech Security USA, located in Seattle, Washington. Welcome to an unboxing video where today we'll be unboxing the new UNIVIEW dual camera video doorbell, which comes bundled with the UNIVIEW Doorbell Chime. The model number on this is UNIVIEW Doorbell ED-525B-Wb, and the chime is just ED-R1. This doorbell kit is well used if you want to see who is on your door, who is knocking, who is ringing, and really helps you keep your residents safe. Taking a look at the design of the box over here, you can see it's well thought out and well colored and well designed, keeping it simple and sleek. Very nice design from UNIVIEW, showcasing the doorbell along with the power kit, and same with the chime over here. Taking a look at the contents of the box over here, we'll go ahead and open this up. We are greeted with the UNIVIEW power kit, which is used to power the doorbell camera. The key needed to do any extra configurations of the camera. Screws and mounting joints. A bunch of wires. Fuse wires, quick guide, and a bunch of other documentation. And if we put the camera right over here, see, this is very well packaged professionally. We got the doorbell itself. Unbox that. And comes also with its other mounting brackets. It has two mounting brackets. One goes on the front, one goes on the back of it. And it has a foam mounting bracket along with a drill template needed to help you for drilling. Now we unbox the chime plug-in for the doorbell. We have our typical instructions, and we pull out the chime add-on itself. That to the side, and as you can see, this was really simply and professionally packaged by UNIVIEW. Very nice, very well done. And there's the chime itself. As you take a look over here, the doorbell actually has a very high quality professional lens with a very high quality video. Over here is the bell button, and under here is where you can do what you can do to do any kind of configuration or setup. On the back of it is the speakers, and also has a reset button to reset everything back to factory defaults. And it also comes with a built-in microphone for two-way communication. As for the chime add-on, this chime add-on is good for being able to make sound and be able to sync and be able to customize. This is very customizable via the EasyView app, and also very customizable with the way you want it to be used. This, as you see here, it's really just a simple plug in and play, and so it is really easy to hook up and also to get up and running. If you have any questions in regards to this new doorbell, please do give us a call at 206-787-0224, or visit our website at www.techsecurityusa.com for more details.